Hello friends, in today's tutorial we would be learning two ways to easily create animation scenes in PowerPoint presentations. Friends, the basic fundamentals are the same for different versions of PowerPoint, be it 2007, 2010, 2013 or 2016 etc. both for Windows as well as for Mac. And with each new version, there are new and better features for the user's benefit. So first of all, let us see some examples of what we are going to learn today. Friends, in the first method, we would be inserting videos inside the PowerPoint slide in order to create the animation scene, like this. Friends, this is the first example which we would be learning today. Let us see another example. Friends, this is the second example. And friends, in the second method, we would be inserting only pictures within the PowerPoint slide in order to create beautiful animation scenes. For example, like this. Let us see one more example of what we would be learning today. This is another picture which we have inserted inside the slide. Friends, you can use any picture of your choice or any video of your choice in order to make beautiful presentations. So friends, let us proceed ahead and learn these two easy methods of creating animation scenes in PowerPoint presentations. So friends, here we are in the PowerPoint presentation file. Now, for the first method, we would be inserting videos inside the PowerPoint slide. For that, let me come over here and insert a new slide. And first of all, let me delete all of the elements of the slide. And then let me come over here to the insert button and insert a video of my choice for the purpose of this example. Let me insert this particular video like this. And then let me come over here to the home button and align this video towards the left and towards the top like this. And then let me increase the size of this video a little bit so that it covers the entire slide. Now, after inserting the video, the next step is that I need to insert a picture for the purpose of this example. So let me come over here and insert picture from file. Let me insert this particular picture of an aeroplane for this slide. Now, we need to reduce the size of this aeroplane. So let me just double click on this picture so that the format picture tab opens up. Then let me come over here to the size option and reduce the size of this aeroplane to, let us say, 35%. Like this. After that, let me change the value of the rotation for this picture to, let us say, 350 degrees for this example. And you can see the corresponding change in this picture. After that, I need to come over here to this option of 3D rotation. And then for the Y rotation, let me change the value to 35 degrees. Like this. And then for better understanding, let me just reduce the size of the slide like this. And after that, let me bring the picture of this aeroplane towards the left hand corner of the slide, somewhere here, like this. Now friends, we have done the initial part of making this animation scene. We have inserted the video, we have inserted the picture. Now the next step is that we need to add animation to this picture so that this slide becomes more beautiful. For that, let me just select this picture, come over here to the animations pane, and then for the purpose of this example, let me select a particular type of an animation of a line animation, which moves the aeroplane from, let us say, this point to up till this point, like this. And now let me come over here to the animations pane and make some changes to these animations. For this picture, let us keep the duration as 5 seconds. And this picture should be starting with previous. As far as the timing is concerned, let us make a delay of 1 second for this picture. And now let us come over here to the effects options. We do not need a smooth start, so let me uncheck this. Similarly, we do not need a smooth end, so let me uncheck this also. And here in the animations pane, this video is showing 2 times, so let me just delete one of them. And let us see the animations for the video. It is starting on click, which is okay. Now let me save this presentation and let us view this presentation from the current slide. So friends, as you can see here, this is a very easy method of creating animation scene in PowerPoint presentations. Now let me press the escape button and come back. So friends, we are back in the PowerPoint presentation slide. Now let us see one more example where we are inserting videos. For that, let me insert a new slide. Let me remove all of these elements by doing Ctrl A and clicking the delete button. And then let me come over here to the insert tab and then insert a video from file. Let me insert another video this time like this, and then let me increase the size of the slide. And after that, let me come over here to the home tab and arrange this video towards the left as well as towards the top. And then let me increase the size of this video a little bit so that it covers the entire slide. Now, in order to save time, let me just go back to the previous slide and select the picture of this aeroplane along with its animation and do Ctrl C. That is, copy this and then paste it here by doing Ctrl V like this. And then let me come over here to the animations pane, and you can see here this video file is showing 2 times. So let me just delete this particular video file, save this presentation, and then let us view this presentation from the current slide. So friends, you can see here that we have been able to create another beautiful animation scene in PowerPoint. So let me now press the escape button and come back. So friends, we are back in the PowerPoint presentation file. We have discussed the first method in which we were inserting videos. Now let us discuss the second method in which we would be inserting only pictures in order to create the beautiful animation scene. For that, let me insert a new blank slide and then let me insert a picture from file. Let me insert this particular picture like this, and you can see here this picture is not covering the entire slide. So let me first of all click on this picture, come over here to the home button and align this picture towards the left. And then let me drag this picture towards the end of the slide. So here we are. Now this picture is covering the entire slide. Now, for better understanding, let me just reduce the size of the slide. And then, in order to save time, let me go back to the previous slide and select the picture of this aeroplane by doing Ctrl C, and then come back to the slide and do Ctrl V like this. Now, in order that this particular animation becomes more beautiful, let me format the picture of the aeroplane. Let me come over here to the size option, and for the rotation option, let me make the rotation as 0 like this, and then let me change the animation of this aeroplane to somewhat in this line. And after that, let me come over here to the animations tab and then select the animations pane. And you can see here that this aeroplane picture is starting on click, which is okay. The duration is 5 seconds. That is also okay. And now let us put some animation for this particular road picture also. For that, let me come over here to the emphasis effect and select the particular emphasis of grow or shrink, like this. And now let us make the duration of this particular animation to be 5 seconds, and it should be starting with previous. Now let us save this presentation and play the slideshow from the current slide. So here we are, friends. Now let me press the enter button, and you can see here that we have been able to again create a beautiful animation scene in PowerPoint. Now let me press the escape button and come back. So friends, we are back in the PowerPoint presentation slide. Now let us see one more example where we are inserting pictures in order to create beautiful animation scenes. Let me first of all insert a new blank slide, and then let me insert a picture. Let me insert this picture like this, and then let me align this picture towards the left, and then drag this picture all the way towards the right hand side so that it fills up the entire slide. After that, let me just copy the picture of this aeroplane by doing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And after that, let me add animation to this picture also. Let me select this, come over here to the animations pane and apply the emphasis effect of grow or shrink. And after that, let me increase the duration of this animation to 5 seconds, and it should be starting with previous. So friends, let me now save this presentation by doing Ctrl plus S, and then let me play the slideshow from the current slide. So friends, here we are. Now let me press the enter button, and you can see here the beautiful animation scene which we have been able to create. So let me now press the escape button and come back. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial on 2 easy methods of creating animation scenes in PowerPoint presentations. In case you have any questions, comments or suggestions, then please mention them in the comments box below. And do subscribe to our channel so that you can have the latest updates regarding all of our videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I would be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.